morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about how to load photographs and Aadhaar cards in HRMS module. First of all, in your mobile, go to Google Chrome, open the Chrome. You will be getting a Google screen like this. Then you need to type on hrms.indianrail.gov.in/hrms. After clicking that, you will be getting a HRMS screen like this. So if you have any problem, go to desktop site. If you click on the three buttons here, you will be getting a desktop site, and you can click on the desktop site so that you will be getting the same in desktop mode. Look here, so you can feel the difference. So now use the user ID to log in. So I have typed the user ID. So now I am going for a password. So after getting the password, so I have typed the password. Now just I am clicking login. So after getting login, you will be received a OTP. So this OTP is valid for 6 days. You remember that while using HRMS, you will be given 3 types of OTPs. One type of OTP is used to reset the password, and one OTP is used for login, and one more OTP called transaction OTP will come to you to update your details. Now first of all, we will be getting a login OTP. Now I have already received, so that I am typing so that I could log in. So my OTP I am typing. So I have logged into the 1 minute. I have logged into my site. So there is a problem, I think, typing in the OTP. I am trying now. Yeah, I typed the OTP. Now I have logged into my user ID. Now after logging into my user ID, just you can find the screen like this. So on the leftmost top corner, you will be getting a right arrow key. Click on that. So after getting, you will be given a HRMS menu. So you can go for IR HRMS ESS. Click on that. So first you will be given user profile, and the second you will be getting view or edit my details. You click on view or edit my details, so that you will be given a screen like this. So under the screen, just go to, first of all, we will upload the personal photo of the employee. So click on employee. Here you will find employee master personal 1 2 3 4, fourth option. You click on that, and now after selecting this, click on go. So after go, you will be getting the details of the employee, where you can load the employee photo. So see clearly, all columns will be disabled. So for making it enable, here you will find raise change request. Click on this. So automatically a remark column will come to you. There you write photo and other upload. Photo, any message, whatever you want, you can type any message. Photo and other upload. So after getting this, just come here. So exactly adjacent to the employee self photo, just I am maximizing this. Click on checkbox. So after clicking the checkbox, automatically choose field will be highlighted. So click on choose file. So it will ask you the file name, where you want to upload the file. Just what I am going to do is that I will browse. So I am going to browse the diaries. So just in the, let me see, so where the file was kept, just I am going to my internal storage where the photograph was kept. So just I'm going down. Yeah, I could find the employee photo. Click on the photo. The photo is loaded automatically. So now I am going to upload it. So the photo is uploaded. See, 100% uploaded successfully, and you can find view new file. If you click on that, whether the photo is uploaded or not, you can see the photo is uploaded. Okay, well, close the photograph and come to the down exactly where you can find a supported document. That means either Aadhaar or PAN card. Choose the file. So select the files, and where you can upload Aadhaar card. So I am browsing the file. See once. Just I am browsing the Aadhaar card of the party. Just it is better. I'll go by sort and date, so that it will be better for me. So I am going that. So now the party's Aadhaar card is given in PDF format. Just I have clicked it, I have selected, and I have uploaded. See, once it is to be loaded for 100%. So 100% is loaded. Now after loading 100%, if you want you can have a check of the Aadhaar card whether it is loaded properly or not. Yeah, the file is loaded. Wait once. Aadhaar card is loaded. View file now. The Aadhaar card is loaded. Now after choosing the Aadhaar card, click on submit. So you will be asked like this: are you sure you want to submit the change request for personal? You will not be able to make changes after submission. Make a yes. So you will be given a OTP. So after getting OTP, you just keep on giving the OTP now. Once, just click on this. Why? So now type the OTP here. Just I am doing the OTP. 67826. Make a submit. So now the employee photograph and Aadhaar card has been updated. So it is the procedure how you can load a photograph for a self with Aadhaar card. So now in this next video I am going to tell you how the family members photos are going to be uploaded. Thank you.
అందరూ అయిపోయినాయా?
ఒకటి నేను చేశాను ఎందుకంటే వీడియో పెద్ద సైజ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. ఎందుకు నేను చేశాను, అది చాలా పెద్ద సైజ్ వచ్చింది. మెషరు వెళ్ళిపోయారట
మా ఫోటోలా.